Hello dear children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will read the poem Teamwork from class 5 English textbook Marigold. So children, tell me, do you like to work and play with others in a team? Yes, and do you know the full form of team? Here, T for together, E for everyone, A for achieves, and M for more. So it means together everyone achieves more. So teamwork is a work done by a group of people. It can only be done when all the people of a group work together. They can achieve their dreams by supporting one another in a group. Then they all share the happiness of the results of their work. So let us recite the poem Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just cannot go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that makes up the whole. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Hindi explanation of the poem. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. तो बच्चों टीम वर्क होता है जब हम दूसरों के साथ मिलकर कोई भी काम करते हैं या साथ मिलकर खेलते हैं. टुगेदर वी कैन मेक आवर ड्रीम वर्क. और साथ मिलकर, टुगेदर मतलब साथ मिलकर हम लोग अगर काम करें तो हम अपने ड्रीम्स को पूरा कर सकते हैं. अपने सपनों को मिलकर हम पूरा कर सकते हैं. देन वी विल शेयर द जॉय ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव डन. टीम वर्क एवरीवन. उसके बाद जो हमें हमारा जब काम पूरा होता है, हमारे जो ड्रीम्स हैं वो पूरे होते हैं, तो हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशी होती है. तो उस खुशी को, उस जॉय को हम एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करते हैं. टीम वर्क एवरीवन. तो आओ हम सब मिलजुल कर काम करें. इट्स फन टू शूट द बास्केटबॉल थ्रू द होप, बट इफ़ नोबडी पासेस देन नोबडी शूट्स. तो कहता है कि जब हम बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं, बास्केटबॉल बच्चों एक गेम होता है, जब हम वो खेलते हैं तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, जो बॉल होती है उसको हमें हुप के अंदर से डालना होता है. हुप होती है वुडन या आयरन रिंग, जिसके अंदर से हम बॉल को उसमें से डालते हैं. तो वो खेलने में हमें बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. बट अगर कोई वो बॉल पास ही ना करे, एक ये टीम गेम होता है. बास्केटबॉल क्या होता है, टीम गेम होता है, इसमें टीम होती है. अगर वो एक दूसरे को बॉल पास ही नहीं करेंगे तो फिर हम शूट भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड द रिले रेस जस्ट कांट गो ऑन इफ़ नोबडी वांट्स टू पास द बैटन. और रिले रेस एक दौड़ होती है, रेस होती है, जिसमें एक दूसरे को बैटन पास करते हैं और रेस करते हैं. बैटन होता है बच्चों शॉर्ट ट्यूब और स्टिक. एक छोटी सी ट्यूब या स्टिक होती है जिसको एक दूसरे को पास करते जाते हैं और जो नेक्स्ट वाला प्लेयर है वो दौड़ता जाता है. तो लेकिन अगर हम ये बैटन पास ही नहीं करेंगे, मिलजुल कर नहीं दौड़ेंगे, तो जो रिले रेस है वो कभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं होगी और उसका मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. वी आर द पार्ट्स दैट मेक अप द होल एंड वी हैव गॉट आवर आइज ऑन अ कॉमन गोल. और हम सब क्या हैं, पार्ट्स हैं. पार्ट्स मतलब छोटे छोटे पीसीस हैं, उसके हिस्से हैं, और हम सारे पार्ट्स मिलकर एक होल को कंप्लीट करते हैं. होल मीन्स कंप्लीट. किसी भी चीज़ को कंप्लीट करते हैं. जब हम मिलजुल कर सारे काम करेंगे तो किसी भी एक काम को हम कंप्लीट करते हैं. और जो हमारे आइज़ होती हैं वो हमारे एक ही कॉमन गोल पे होती हैं। कॉमन गोल मतलब हमारा एक ही लक्ष्य होता है और उस लक्ष्य को ही ध्यान में रखकर, उस एम को ही ध्यान में रखकर हम मिलजुल कर काम करते हैं। समटाइम्स इट कैन बी अ बिग प्लस व्हेन ए यू और अ मी बिकम्स एन अस। यहाँ पे बच्चों बिग प्लस का मतलब होता है कि बहुत ही अच्छे रिजल्ट आते हैं। कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जब हम मिलजुल कर, एक तुम और एक मैं मिलकर अस बनते हैं, हम बनते हैं। जब तुम और मैं मिलकर हम बनते हैं और हम मिलकर काम करते हैं तो उसके जो रिजल्ट्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं। तो इसलिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए, टीम वर्क। हमें एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल कर अपने कॉमन गोल को पाने के लिए मिलजुल कर हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए। Now let us see some new words from the poem. First word is teamwork, meaning combined effort of a group or work done by a group. Hoop, meaning wooden or iron ring. Passes, it means move onward. Relay race, meaning race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Baton, meaning short tube or stick carried in relay race. Now move to the textbook exercise questions. So children, first question is complete the following sentences. Here some sentences are given and you have to complete them according to the poem. So first sentence is, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot the basketball through the hoop. Next sentence is, in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then race just can't go on. Now move to the next question. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, and coaches. To make a film, we need directors, actors, weavers, and producers. Next is, to run a good school, we need principal, teachers, peon, students, and clerks. To run a restaurant, we need manager, cooks, waiters, customers. Now children, read this poem. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Now form questions for the answers given in the speech bubbles. And the first answer is, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. And the question for the answer is, how was the kingdom lost? Next answer is, the shoe was lost because of the nail. And the question for the answer is, how was the shoe lost? Next answer is, the battle was lost because there was no rider. And the question for the answer is, how was the battle lost? Now make 3 more questions and answers from the poem Teamwork like this. First question is, what can we share with teamwork? And the answer is, we can share joy with teamwork. Now move to the next question. What can teamwork do? And the answer is, teamwork can make our dream work come true. Now move to the next question. Where should we put our eyes on? And the answer is, we should put our eyes on a common goal. Picture composition. Children, look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. As you can see children, here is a pictures. So you have to answer the questions according to the pictures and with the help of clues given in the boxes. So here first question is, who is laying the bricks? And the answer is, a mason is laying the bricks. Who is holding the ladder? Answer is, a laborer is holding the ladder. Who is the man on the ladder? And the answer is, an electrician is on the ladder. Next question is, who is making the door? And the answer is, a carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? And the answer is, a painter is painting the walls. Now children, complete the sets of rhyming words. Here some words from the poem are given and you have to write rhyming words for them. Team, beam, plus, bus, done, gun, hoop, loop, shoot, root, goal, soul, joy, toy. Now, in a groups of 5, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Now prepare a list as shown below. So children, the answer of these questions you can write according to you. I am writing here things I like doing alone and things I like doing in a group. You can write according to you. First, I am writing the things that I like doing alone. Reading a book, doing homework, writing a poem. Now, things I like doing in a group. Playing games, going for a picnic, going for a swim. Now tell me children, in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? So here children, you can write answer according to your family and your family members. I am writing here, my mother decides what dishes to cook. My father decides where to invest his money. I decide what to study. We decide where we shall go for a holiday. Next question is, in the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining two words and these words are called compound words. One is done for you. Find some more such words like this. So children, words which are formed by joining two different words are called compound words. Do you know children, we sometimes use short forms for some words. For example, we use I am for I am and I for I have. These shortened words are called contractions and the mark is an apostrophe which shows where the letters are left out. So now read together. These are some contractions. We will, cannot, can't, we have, we've, you have, you've, there is, there's, what have, what of, we are, we're, they are, there. Now write the contractions for the following phrases. Has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, do not, don't, are not, aren't. Write the full forms for the following. Want, were not, shall, she will, wasn't, was not, whose, who is. I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.